Tools and equipment. In order to protect both the documents and the sophisticated scanning machines, historical archives must be properly prepared prior to digitization. The following equipment is needed in order to be able to do so. Step 1. For dusting and cleaning you need a wide dusting brush for dusting surfaces and cleaning residue that needs sweeping away. A dentist tool used for removing staples and metallic pins from paper. Sponges made of vulcanized pH-neutral natural rubber allows dry cleaning without leaving any residues. A museum vacuum cleaner with an adjustable suction level, allowing lowest vacuum on delicate fragile items. Step 2. For repairing and flattening damaged documents you need Japanese hinging paper with tear lines that allow to make perfect hand-torn hinges can be easily applied with starch glue. Tengu Japanese paper, manufactured using 100% mulberry. This paper is used to protect damaged seals and weighs only 1.6 grams per meter, making it the thinnest paper in the world. Starch powder, purified wheat or rice starch, which produces a smooth glue when cooked with water. A dust-proof sprayer, suitable for dispensing clean water. A fine brush to apply starch glue on the Japanese hinging paper. Tweezers, for holding small pieces of hinging paper. Sheets of thin rigid plastic where glue can be applied. Weight bags or metallic weights, ideal for weighing down wet repairs. A conservation iron with a precision heated spatula and an LED temperature readouts to display accurate temperature. Non-woven monofilament paper. The non-stick quality of this paper is ideal for repairing damaged documents with a conservation iron. White satin snakebook weights, used to hold books and maps open for repair. Scissors or a knife, essential for cutting ropes and treasury tags. Bone folders for flattening crumpled papers. White plastic clips to make sure that multi-layered documents stay together. Step 3. For isolating acidic material and housing the archives properly you need a pH testing pen. The chemical solution in the pen will turn purple on any paper with a pH of 6.8 and above. A clear yellow color indicates that the material is acidic and unsuitable for conservation purposes. Acid-free folders. Conservation quality archival boxes. Fall-baked labels which are coated with an acid-free glue that securely sticks to boxes. Step 4. Set up and organize your workspace. If you wish to minimize the spread of dust, prepare a cardboard workspace. Organize your tools to have everything in hand. Now you're all set and you can start processing your documents.